Good day. My name is Dr. Vidumelo Semete Makokotlela, and I'm the CEO of SAHPRA. SAHPRA is the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority. And what we do is that we monitor and we regulate all health products in the country. We authorize, inspect, and monitor all health products. That refers to medicines, complementary medicines, clinical trials, medical devices, as well as radiation control. At the core of our mandate as SAHPRA is to ensure that every single health product is safe, efficacious, is a quality product, and performs as it claims to. So the safety of the people of South Africa is core to our mandate. With regards to cannabis, SAHPRA regulates cannabis that's utilized for medicinal uses. In alignment with the Court judgment, we have revised and amended the schedules. And what this means is that for THC, which is the psychoactive component of cannabis, it is no longer a Schedule 7 substance, but it is a Schedule 6 substance. If it's used in low concentrations, not for human consumption, for industrial purposes, it does not need authorization by SAHPRA. Manufacturing of THC-containing medicines therefore requires that a permit be issued still by the DG of Health, and that pertains only to THC that's utilized for medicinal purposes. As indicated, if it's for non-medicinal purposes, it does not require licensing and authorization by SAHPRA. The other active in cannabis that is utilized for medicinal purposes is CBD. And if CBD is cultivated commercially for medicinal purposes, it also requires authorization, regulation, and licensing by SAHPRA. What the amended schedules have done is that CBD is now listed as a Schedule 4 substance. Wherein CBD is utilized and there are general health claims being made, it would be scheduled under Schedule 0. So that means that it will comply with the regulations for complementary medicines. It must be noted that at this point, SAHPRA has not issued a call-out for CBD-containing products, and this will be done very soon, and there will be communication that goes out to the stakeholders. It must be noted that at this point, cannabis is still considered as a prohibited drug in terms of the Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act until the possession and use of an adult person is enabled by law. There's currently a cannabis bill that is out for public comment, and this will enable the personal and private use of cannabis. The current legislation does not permit SAHPRA to regulate THC or CBD if it's not for medicinal purposes. Thus, the ambit of SAHPRA only rests with those that are used for medicinal purposes. There has been allegations out in the public that indicates that SAHPRA is operating unfairly in the sector, that SAHPRA has issued licenses to wide-owned farmers, that SAHPRA is not cognizant of the indigenous nature and the indigenous owners of cannabis. We would like to refute these claims. As indicated, the Act is very clear and it guides us in terms of how to regulate cannabis. We're an organization that follows this Act to the T, and there are very strict protocols in terms of how a license is issued. SAHPRA considers all the applications that it receives, and it will issue a license in the event that the applicant complies with the licensing requirements. So we refute the claims that these licenses have been issued only to white-owned farmers. We refuse the claims that there is a white bias in the organization. As indicated, we're guided by the Medicines Act. Furthermore, I must stress that the SAHPRA board is not operational at all. So allegations that members of the board, particularly the board chair, has been selling licenses is incorrect. The board of SAHPRA is a governance board. It is strategic in its nature and does not get involved in the operational aspects of issuing licenses. Secondly, this is a board that is appointed by the Minister of Health. SAHPRA is committed to becoming locally relevant. It is committed to taking a developmental approach in how it executes its mandate. It is also very important that Sapra remains true to its mandate of ensuring that any health product that is out in the market is a product that is safe, is a quality product, and it's efficacious.